The Community Empowerment Center, which we commonly call the CEC, was created back in 2019 to meet the growing needs of our community. The request for one-on-one coaching, financial education classes, products and services that had more accessibility to them, as well as wraparound services, were coming in leaps and bounds, and we needed a centralized hub to offer these services.
The best part about the CEC is that we serve everyone, and you don't have to be a member of Greylock to use the services that we provide.
The Community Empowerment Center is where everyone belongs. No matter what language you speak, we have coaches that speak other languages, and we have a professional interpretation program that helps with over 200 languages.
As a financial wellness coach, we work together to create a cohesive game plan. We meet you where you're at and try to figure out together the best steps to take, even if they're small steps. Greylock is a one-stop shop to help meet all of your needs.
My lasting impression of Greylock has been as an organization that really walks our talk. Greylock doesn't just talk about equity and inclusion, we actually take steps and invest resources to deliver products and services that give everyone in our community a fair chance to thrive.
This location is ideal. It's in the Morningside area. We're on a bus route. We have access to a lot of walk-in traffic, and it's in a very strong socioeconomically diverse neighborhood. Financial health and well-being is intertwined in everything. It impacts you physically, mentally, emotionally, your job, how you interact with others. So the more that we can provide with guidance, some trust, encouragement, access to products that'll help you get to reach your goals, it really strengthens not only the household but the community.
At the CEC, every voice is heard and every need is met.